Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to do a group reservation. To do a group reservation, first go to home page and at the general section, click reservation. Then click group reservation. Here you have to enter the date of arrival and departure, how many people there are, the currency that will be used, the rate plan, and the account type. Then, choose the rooms from below. I will choose 2 rooms adjacent to each other. After that, go to the bottom of the page and click on Next. Here, confirm the date, room and rate type and make adjustments if needed before proceeding. Click Confirm. Enter the reservation code, guest name, ID number, nationality, telephone number and country. Then, click Next to view the reservation summary. After everything is correct, click Next and it will show the payment. Click Save and you are done with the group reservation. Here is the reservation. Thank you and I hope you've learnt something from this tutorial video.